We're really excited to represent General Motors. It's no secret that we've been General Motors dealers for almost 90 years. And recently, over the last decade plus, they've put well over $1 billion and a half into the marketplace. So our hope is that we can, price-wise, be competitive with all competition across the board, but that we can sell General Motors products to the people that live in this market. Well, the Cruze, when it was first announced, it's so much of a momentum builder for all the great men and women in the UAW out at the assembly plants. I mean, they have to feel that they were chosen, and they should. They should feel very proud that they were chosen to build this car that's a world-class vehicle among the competition that they had across the GM spectrum as far as assembly plants. So, that's first and foremost. And then, again, this car is going to be built and sold locally. So there's going to be so many people interested in driving this car, because not only because they build it locally very proudly, but it's a quality car that exceeds the competition. I mean, if people take the opportunity to drive this car and research it and drive the competition, by and large, they will end up with this car for more value for less money, and that's really what it's all about. So we have a lot to be proud of for this area. Every time there's a job created in manufacturing, statistics show that there's many more spin-off jobs, 6, 7, 8 spin-off jobs, for example. So when a plant like Lordstown expands by 1,200 people, you can very quickly figure out the effect on in our local economy. And there's almost 5,000 people at that assembly plant, and the spin-off jobs and the numbers, if we all knew, they would have to be staggering. So again, we're hoping that people understand that, appreciate that. We don't want them to pay any more for a vehicle than they would from one of our competitors, but all things being equal, we think that if our prices are in line, we'd like them to consider driving a GM vehicle in this market.